What's up, guys? It is 9 a.m. deadlift time. It is Sunday morning, my favorite day of the week. Hit some deads with the team. Yeah, let's get it. But most important thing first, it is time to dry scoop. I do have a code with Redcon if you ever want to use it. That's not why I'm making this video. Just a friendly discount, pass it on. If you'd like my code, comment below. And hold on, I don't even want to hear it. I'm like OG dry scoop, like since day one. I dry scoop everything, so don't come at me. Hold on, do you guys like drink your water first or after you dry scoop? I want to know. Let me know. Dry scoop time. I'm gonna go drive in this winter wonderland fuck of a state. That was rude.
And you haven't got a clue.